This is bellwork for January 12th. Number 1, it says write the equation of the line passing through points 4 and 5 and 8 and 2. So to start, we need to figure out what is the slope. So what is the slope? And to do that, we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this would be x1, this would be y1, this would be x2, this would be y2. And when we substitute in the numbers, we're going to get 2 minus 5 over 8 minus 4. And that's going to equal negative 3 over 4 for our slope. Okay, then we're going to substitute in the slope and one of these 2 points into our slope-intercept form, and we'll get y equals mx plus b, and we'll just use the first point. So y is 5, m is negative 3/4, and then x is going to be 4, and then we're looking for b. Okay, so let's go ahead and do negative 3/4 times 4, which is just going to equal negative 3. So we get 5 equals negative 3 plus b. And if we add 3 on both sides, b is going to be equal to 8. So put in our b value, our m value into our formula, and we're going to get y equals negative 3/4 x plus 8. On number 2, it says find the product of x squared minus 4xy plus y squared times 5xy. So we're going to do a bunch of multiplying on this. So we have to multiply 5xy times y squared, 5xy times negative 4xy, and 5xy times x squared. So I'm going to do the tabular method on this. So we'll make a table. And we'll do 5xy up here. And going this way, we'll do x squared minus 4xy. And then y squared. So we'll do 5xy times x squared. And that just means we're going to multiply the x's. So we'll end up with 5x cubed y. And then we'll do 5xy times negative 4xy. So we'll do 5 times negative 4. We'll get negative 20. X times x is x squared. And then y times y is y squared. And then the last one, we'll do 5xy times y squared. And we'll get 5xy cubed. And then just put it all together. We will get 5x cubed y minus 20 x squared y squared, and plus 5xy cubed. On number 3, it says graph y equals 5x plus 4. So the 5 is our slope, so it's 5 over 1. And this is going to equal 5 up and 1 over. And then our 4 is our y-intercept. So this is our y-intercept. Okay, so let's start by putting a point on the y-axis at 4. that's going to be right here. There's our y-intercept value, our b value. And then we can go 5 up and 1 over for this, or we can go 5 down and 1 left. Either way, I'm going to go down because I have more room. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another one. Then all we have to do is connect the dots. So connect the dots, it'll look like this. And there's our line. Okay, on number 5 it says write the system of inequalities. And on this one we're going to have a value for x and a value for y. On the x we're going to have x is less than or equal to 0, because it never goes above the x, the 0 on the x-axis. For the y value it's going to be an equation, and we just need to find the slope of this line, and it's above the line, so it's going to be greater than or equal to, since it's solid. So it's greater than, equal to, and this line has a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of 1. So it's y is greater than or equal to 1x plus 1.